Say goodbye to disruptive snores with these fantastic home remedies. Peppermint oil, inhale clear airways and reduce congestion. Honey and ginger tea combats throat irritation to smoother breathing. Turmeric milk, the anti-inflammatory properties reduce nasal congestion. Eucalyptus steam, open nasal passages and ease snoring. Lifestyle adjustments, maintain a healthy weight and sleep on your side to minimize snoring. Humidifiers, keep the air moist to prevent dryness in the throat and reduce snoring. Throat exercises, strengthen throat muscles exercises to minimize snoring. Nettle Leaf Tea, it helps alleviate nasal congestion. Chamomile Tea, relaxing and soothing, for better sleep quality and reduces snoring.